Wagwan with people, welcome back to another Cooking Friends Cook Up channel. Yeah man. So right now we are heading to Kensington Market, food market. Yeah. Alright, so let's watch Wagwan. Yeah man. You can see we're the downtown Toronto. See CN in the background. Be exact, right down by Chinatown too. Spadina, so. See? So this is what, like a honey?
Raw Jamaican honey, yes.
Raw Jamaican honey?
Yes.
Okay.
Best honey in the world.
Oh.
This one is a coffee blossom honey. You heard of Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee?
Yeah.
Perfect. We pollinate some of the coffee fields and the bees make that earthy honey with hints of lavender and jasmine to it.
And that which one? Show me the content.
This is the coffee blossom honey.
Okay, okay.
I like it better.
That one's my favorite one as well.
How much is that?
20 per jar. Last but not least, this is our Scotch bonnet pepper infused honey.
Scotch
Bonnet
pepper
infused honey. We're the only people you can get this from. Okay. You want to try some?
Yeah, let me try some and let me see the label.
Perfect for wings, charcuterie boards, pizza. I put it on grilled salmon. I put it on grilled cheese. Anything I can think of, I put it on.
So, like, say for instance, say if someone want to order online or stuff like that, where they can get it?
Lignumhoney.com.
You have a card so we can
man.
show you? Let's see.
And you can always order directly through our Instagram as well.
Yeah.
Lignum.honey.
See?
Can I have the coffee one?
The coffee, no problem. I can put a card in there for you. This is the logwood honey from St. Elizabeth.
Which one? This is the logwood.
This is the logwood. The one that, and you know that this honey comes in a what they call water white, where it's literally almost as clear as water. Yeah man, but it's really, you can only get it within 2 weeks of the flowers blossoming at the beginning of the year. So it's a very short yielding cycle and it's a very small batch. So it's always sold out. Yeah man, it's really hard to get.
I'm gonna take one of these ones.
Gonna take one of the logwood?
Yeah.
Oh, people at the end of the day, right?
So you said, yeah.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Yeah man.
You guys have an amazing day.
Alright, you too. Alright. It's a nice experience coming down to the Kensington food market where you can see different varieties of vendors, different stuff, you know. Nice.
StephanieMcLeanArt.ca.
Alright, so you can go and check her out.
McLean.
I feel like if the celebrity talks about it, more people will buy. But because it's just a random person in a random market, this is our bamboo shop. We do a range of things. We sell zero-waste products, and we also do craft on the side. So we make craft out of cement, and we also do soaps at the back. Come check us out. We're always at Kensington the last Sunday of the month. And see you. Thank you.
Yes. Look at this, yeah.
Yeah, brother, Outback, we got the Outback patio.
What is it?
Plus, we got a show going on back there.
Yeah?
Maybe in the video. They may put you in the video.
All right. So I
You
what?
guys can just buy a ticket for the juicy one,
Yeah.
sugarcane, smoothie, any of the ones you see on it.
So we just buy a smoothie and we just can go around the back.
Yeah, you just go get a ticket inside.
Okay.
That's what they offer.
Okay.
Plus juice, all that stuff.
All right.
You know, we're over there.
Yeah.
So they're moving around, we ain't going nowhere. Always bounce back, you know?
All right.
But that's what I want.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna check it out.
Anytime.
All right. Yes. See, here so they have all the fresh fruits and stuff like that. The purchase a ticket, then you're gonna go around here.
We both love the same things, we compatible. We both want the same things out of life. Hello, my husband, meet your wife. You know, ninja, you are my lucky charm. I wanna be wrapped in your arms, where I can feel safe and warm. I'm no more all alone. I have a man to call my own. He loves me, and I know. And I know that I'm not dreaming. I know what I am feeling. You show me love, you show me life. I told me no, that you are mine. You came in my life and made you.
All right, sir.
All right, Bill. Glad you enjoyed, man.
Yeah,
Like
man.
your spirit.
Yeah, man. So you can rent your bike if you come downtown on the track.